Who doesn't like to collect memories? Obviously, today's smartphones have all the features to record or capture anything, but they have setbacks as they break so easily. To fulfill that hole, we have GoPro cameras to record anything, anywhere without any setbacks. Today, we will talk about 10 hair raising things captured on GoPro camera. Let's move into it. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. The Lost GoPro. A YouTube channel, More Bad Ideas, uploaded a video of a lost and found GoPro camera which has satanic videos on it. And that video went viral with 3.5 million views in the last 2 years. The YouTuber is known to film videos of him moving around the city with the GoPro camera on his helmet. One day when he was out with a friend, he found a lost GoPro camera hidden in a tree trunk. As GoPros are one of the best equipment to film, he decided to take it home. Obviously, he was excited to find out what may be recorded on its SD card, but when he connected it to his computer, the things he saw were pretty hilarious. The footage looks creepy and very satanic and then cuts to a guy holding what looks like a skull. What happened after uploading the video was even creepier when his subscribers commented that they have watched a cursed video. People actually commented things like, "God forgive me for watching this." We don't know whether the video was satanic or not, but it sure looks creepy. Number 9. The Lost Car. Have you ever imagined to solve a cold case using equipment on your own as a teenager? We all have that Sherlock inside of us. The same was done by a 13-year-old Maxwell Rincon from Alberta, Canada. The incident happened in September 2019 when he was swimming in Griffin Lake in British Columbia. He thought that he recorded something unusual underwater. Later on, rewatching the footage, he found an overturned car. Immediately he called the police, and when Revelstoke Mounties showed up, Max and his family took them to the exact spot where we captured the car and dove into the water to film a more clear view of the car again. It was after 3 days that the Mounties and its dive team recovered the car from the lake. Shockingly, when the registration plate was run, it came out to be the car of 69-year-old Janet Ferris, who went missing in 1992 from Vancouver Island to Alberta. Max was praised for his detective work and assured him a job once he grew up. Number 8. The Wall Jumper. Now, I wouldn't ask you to imagine something like going for a ride outside and something suddenly jumping on you, but this sure looks terrifying. Upcoming YouTuber Bexon Productions went for a casual ride on his bike and decided to shoot it on GoPro. As he is riding down an alleyway, all of a sudden something jumps on at him from a wall. On rewatching the video at a slow speed, what jumps on him looks more like a monkey. To find out what exactly was it, the YouTuber turned around but the animal was already gone. To give out details about his experience, in the description he wrote, "It was very silent. I barely heard its landing. It either ran back or climbed up the wall so I couldn't see it again." The creature sure looks creepy and nothing like a regular animal in the city. Number 7. UFOs. This weird footage was recorded in the foreground when this snowboarder was shooting his regular snowboarding video. He was going down smooth on his board when he attempted to take the camera down when we see an unusual figure in the sky. It seems like a motionless, floating large stick-like shape in the sky as if it is looking at him. This concerns people that there might be other beings around the universe looking upon us. The interesting part is, however, the flying object is definitely not a plane. Then what else it could possibly be? The footage made its way to an alien sighting channel, Secure Team 10, who called the video mind-blowing. Number 6. Giant octopus. If you are a regular swimmer and have swam around oceans and seas, you must be aware about the whole other world we have under the water. Just like before, a video was uploaded on YouTube of this giant octopus and watched by more than 270,000 people. The video starts with some guys looking to catch a halibut, but as they dive their GoPros into murky depths, we see a huge octopus real close. The octopus gets caught on the fishing hook and his struggle to unhook himself is quite clear. To the octopus, good luck. The guys unhooked him and let him swim away. Number 5. The Suspicious Owls. For anyone who was a fan of David Lynch and Twin Peaks, you will know what I mean by the words owls are not what they seem. If the reference doesn't ring any bell, still owls are pretty strange creatures with big fixed eyes and always seem to be a furious animal. Native to Northern America, owls are believed to be bad omens or shape-changing witches. Keeping that in mind, let's have a look at this YouTube video that shows two owls acting suspiciously on a lawn. The original pictures of the burrowing owls are captured by Megan Lawrence, showing the owls investigating the GoPro. How would you interpret this creepy movement of the owls? After a while in the video, a third bird joins them too, and the owls don't really quit looking at the camera. It's looked like they are performing some summoning ritual. But what do we know about what they know? Number 4. The Megalodon. This picture is enough to freak us out. I can't even imagine capturing something like this on my camera while I'm swimming or just cruising. Though there have been many close encounters recorded and shared of horrifying sharks, this scary footage recorded by a scuba diver has uncovered one of the scariest prehistoric predators alive and thriving in the oceans. The shark captured was 33 foot long, which raises the question of being a megalodon which was endangered 3 million years ago. Possibly no, because as per reports, the megalodon was 60 feet in length. Number 9. Bigfoot in the forest. We all are big junkies to know how the world seems from someone else's eyes. Many pet owners around the world fix a GoPro camera on their pet's collar and enjoy how they perceive the environment. But what if you go through the footage and encounter something as strange as a legendary animal? This has happened to a man who let his dog off the leash in Oregon while he thought that his dog is maybe enjoying himself in the wood. It seems like he had a brief meeting with the infamous Bigfoot. Legends of Bigfoot are quite popular in the Northern America, and however, the video was published on YouTube and gained a whopping 1 million views. How well do we know that once something goes on internet, it keeps on spreading, and so did this video. People kept re-uploading and the video gained 1 million more views. Although many viewers consider it to be a hoax, dog moving around with the camera didn't really react to the monster. Rumors also say that a dog owner dressed himself as the legend and staged everything. Well, let us know, what do you believe? Number 2. The Black-Eyed Girl. In Staffordshire, England, rumors were spread about a ghost haunting the Kennett Chase, an area of countryside peppered with woodlands. The operation about the Black-Eyed Girl first took place in 1980s and made it to the news headlines around the country. After seeing this footage, it is evident that the ghost may have reappeared. When YouTuber Furious Otter flew a drone with a GoPro on it over the area, the camera records a white figure moving in the woods. Upon lowering the drone to get a closer look, a girl with long black hair and white dress can clearly be seen looking out of the field. I don't like what I see. Unlike other things captured, this one looks pretty real and scary. The original video gained around 1.6 million views and people in comments were freaking out. Even I'm freaking out a bit. Number 1. A possessed goat. I don't think so you would like this image, but this is worth having a look at. During the research, we found this image clicked by someone on his GoPro. Unlike a normal animal, those red eyes make it look like more of a possessed goat or maybe some mythical creature. Maybe I am exaggerating it a lot, but this could be done by some professional Photoshop expert. What do you think it is? More importantly, what would you do when you encounter it? A. stand still and wait for it to go away, or B, run as fast as you can and pray it doesn't chase you. There we have the most creepiest and terrifying thing caught on GoPro cameras. I hope the video was spooky enough for you to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Unleashed for daily lit content. Until next time, keep vibing.